Are you one of the 72 million adults who suffer from agonizing joint pain? If so, you know that struggling to function with brutal joint pain, stiffness, swelling, and lack of flexibility present countless daily challenges. Whether your joint pain is mild or excruciating, it can severely limit your daily activities and negatively affect your overall quality of life. It can hurt to walk, climb stairs, dress yourself, take a bath, brush your teeth, prepare your meals, and even tie your shoelaces. Tragically, your joint pain may be so intense that you're forced to give up the things you love and even go on disability. Your joint problems can be the result of an injury, rheumatoid arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis, fibromyalgia, psoriatic arthritis, osteoarthritis, lupus, gout, or carpal tunnel syndrome, just to name a few. Whatever the exact cause, it may seem as if nobody truly understands the pain and misery you're forced to live with day in and day out. And let's face it, your doctor has probably let you down. Unfortunately, the medical profession fails miserably at providing a sustainable solution to healing joint issues. Instead, they rush to treat joint pain with dangerous medications rather than figuring out how to heal the underlying cause. So while drugs may temporarily ease your pain and suffering for a few hours at best, your joint pain and stiffness inevitably returns with a vengeance. But there is hope. Keep watching this short presentation as we're here with exciting news. Finally, there's a highly effective, safe, and all-natural way to repair joints and end excruciating pain. Our team, led by world-renowned pain specialist Rick Caselge, spent countless hours researching the latest medical and scientific discoveries for maintaining optimal joint health. Then we compiled the most powerful and scientifically proven all-natural solutions into one effective program. It's called the 14-Day Joint Recovery Quick Start Program, and it works to keep your joints strong and flexible well into your golden years and beyond, all with no risk of harmful side effects. This groundbreaking system works beautifully even if you've been suffering with unhealthy joints for years. The best part? You won't have to wait months or even weeks to start noticing incredible results. If you follow the simple steps in the 14-Day Joint Recovery Quick Start Program, you'll notice less pain and increased flexibility within 2 weeks or less. We provide you with joint-nourishing recipes, simple exercises to heal and strengthen joints, and must-have lifestyle changes that have been clinically shown to ease pain and promote healing. You'll receive the following scientifically backed natural strategies for maintaining healthy, flexible, and pain-free joints. Our comprehensive yet easy-to-follow ebook, Joint Health 101, How to Repair and Strengthen Your Joints Naturally. The Health Restorative Cookbook Bundle created by our team of nutritionists and professional chefs, Cooking for Joint Health, 25 recipes to reduce arthritis and soothe joints. You'll also receive our Cooking for Joint Health 14-Day Meal Plan and Shopping List to ensure whipping up these delicious meals is super easy and convenient for you. And our easy-to-follow workout created by health, fitness, and pain relief expert Rick Caselge, 10 easy movements for stronger joints. We're also throwing in a special bonus gift if you order today. Are you ready to say yes to living the fully active, joyful, and pain-free life you deserve? Simply click on the link below to receive instant access to the 14-Day Joint Recovery Quick Start Program